Myself K.C. Gupta from Civil Engineering Department, Chandigarh University. Now today I will tell you regarding methods of plane table surveying. There are 4 methods. One is radiation method. The second is intersection method. Third is transverse method. And the last one, fourth, is resection method. Now, first I will tell you regarding radiation method. We will fix our plane table at point P. And we have to draw various stations, various points A, B, C, D, E, F. How to draw the position of this A, B, C, D, E, F points on the drawing sheet? We will fix our LE date at point P. The points on the ground are represented by capital letters A, B, C, D, and the corresponding points on the drawing sheet we will represent in small letters A, B, C, D. We have fixed the LE date at point P. We will point out towards A. We will bisect point A after pivoting the LE date at P. After rotating or moving the LE date, we will bisect point A. Then draw a line towards A. Measure the distance of A from P, and with some scale mark this line on the drawing sheet as PA. Now LE date is fixed again at P and bisect point B. Draw a line PB. Similarly, we will mark points C, D, E, and F. Every time distance will be measured, and with the same scale the points will be marked. This is called radiation method. With the radiation method, we have plotted various points on the drawing sheet by measuring the distance. This method is useful for a small area. Now, second method, intersection method. For the intersection method, we want to mark point A, point B, point C on our drawing sheet. We have set the table at point P. Place the LE date at point P, rotate it or move it such that A point is bisected. Then we will draw a line towards A. We will not measure the distance PA. Now similarly, with the LE date, we will mark the lines towards B and towards C. We will also mark the line another point Q. We will measure the distance PQ on the ground with some scale. We will mark the point on the drawing sheet Q. Now Q point has been marked. We will shift the table at Q. We have shifted the table at Q with the point Q which we have marked as Q. Now orient the table with respect to P. Orient the table with respect to P. No table is oriented. By placing the LE date at Q, again we will mark lines towards A, towards B, towards C. The intersection of previous line and these lines will show point A, B, C. These points have been located on the drawing sheet without measuring the distance. This is called intersection method. Now third method is transversing method. We will fix the table at point A. With small a, its location on the drawing sheet. We have another point B. We will place the LE date at A and bisect point B, draw a line towards B. We will measure the length AB and with some scale we will find out point B. We will mark point B on the drawing sheet. Now we will shift the table at point B. When we have shifted the table at B, set the table at B, then with the back setting, orient the table at B. When the table is oriented, then there is another point C. By placing the LE date at B, we will bisect point C and draw a line towards C. Measure the distance BC with the same scale. Mark this point C on the drawing sheet. When C point has been marked, we will shift the table at C. With similar, we will mark another points. We will orient the table at C. Then after orientation, there is another point D. We will place the LE date at C bisect point D, draw a line and cut with the same scale to find out the point D. Similarly, other points E, F will be marked by shifting the table. We can cross-check these points with respect to when the table is at C, we can bisect point A to check up the location of the point A. Similarly, other points can be cross-checked. This is the method, transversing method. This is a closed traverse, and this can be applicable to open traverse also. Now the last method is resection method. Now the fourth method, resection method, I will tell you about that. We have a point A. We have another point B. We want to mark point P on the drawing sheet. The location of the point P is not there on the drawing sheet. This B point is inaccessible. We will place the table at point A, orient the table by backsighting with help B point. After orientation, we will place the alidate at point A. We will move the alidate, rotate the alidate, pivoting at point A, and bisecting point P, we will draw a line towards P. Towards P. Now we will shift the table, we will mark the point P approximately. This is P1. We have marked the point P1 approximately. Now we will shift the table at point P. We have shifted the table at point P. With the help of backsetting, we will orient the table fixed at P. After the orientation, we will place the alidate at point P1. Now, the alidate will be placed at point B. After placing the alidate at point B, we will bisect point B and draw a line towards P. Where these two lines are meeting, that point is our P. We want to locate the point P. We have located the point P with the resection method. There is another method of resection with the compass. We will fix the table at P. Orient the table with respect to compass by placing the compass on north line. we will orient the table at point P. Then placing the validate at A, we will bisect point A and draw a line towards P. Now placing the validate at B, we will bisect point B and draw a line BP. Where these two lines are meeting, that point is P, small p, which we want to locate. The P point has been located with the compass method. There are two other methods: 2-point problem and 3-point problem. Which comes under resection method. We will discuss these two problems next time, and I will tell you how these two problems are implemented at the site, how the application of these 2 points are at the site. Thank you.